You've got a circular idea, but before you invest heavily, you need to test it. That's where prototyping comes in. Prototypes help you visualize, validate, and improve your circular solution, fast and cheap. Let's explore tools and methods to bring your ideas to life. Step 1. Define what you need to learn. Start with a question. Will users return this product? Is this packaging easy to disassemble? Can this service work at a small scale? Will the circular version cost less or more? You're not building the final thing. You're building to learn. So clarify your assumptions, then design to test them. Step 2. Choose the right fidelity. Not every prototype needs to be perfect. There are 3 main levels. 1. Low fidelity, lo-fi. Quick, cheap, rough, great for early ideas. Sketches on paper. Storyboards. Cardboard mock-ups. Slide decks or role play. Use lo-fi to test concepts, customer journeys, or circular loops. 2. Medium fidelity, mid-fi. More polished, still agile. 3D printed packaging. Clickable apps or interfaces. Simple service demos. Functional repairs on real products. Use mid-fi to test usability, feasibility, and feedback. 3. High fidelity, hi-fi. Closer to launch ready. Pilot programs. Fully functional mock products. Integrated systems. Test runs in stores or operations. Hi-fi is for testing performance, logistics, and readiness. Don't jump to hi-fi too soon. Test small. Learn fast. Step 3. Pick your tools. Here are go-to tools for circular prototyping. Figma or Canva for storyboards and pitch decks. Fusion 360 or Tinkercad for 3D design. Arduino for sensors in smart bins or returnable assets. Miro or Notion for mapping circular systems. LCA calculators for estimating environmental impact. Recycling guides for checking material compatibility. You don't need every tool, just the one that moves your idea forward. Step 4. Involve the right people. Bring in your team and real users. Get feedback early and often. Ask operations, can we actually collect this? Ask customers, would you return or refill this? Ask finance, what would it take to break even? Prototype with not just for your stakeholders. That builds buy-in. Step 5. Document and iterate. Take photos, record reactions, track results. What worked? What broke? What surprised you? Update your idea. Test again. Remember, in circular design, iteration is the path to innovation. Step 6. Build a circular prototype culture. This isn't one and done. The best circular teams prototype constantly. They reward curiosity, celebrate failures, test ideas early and often, because circularity is a moving target. And your prototype is a compass. You don't need a lab, just cardboard markers, questions, and an open mind. This is how circular ideas become reality. This is prototyping, the circular way.